This is the removal process for the automatic shift boot and the parking brake. So first thing you want to do is open up the center console lid, then pull down on the automatic shift boot so you can release that, and then twist off your shift knob. After that, you want to slide the parking brake boot over the handle, pull this up, lift up here on the console, pick it up in the front, slightly pick it up. You'll see this connection. Just press this button, pull away, and slightly pull it over and out. Then for the next part. Okay, so this is the second process. Once you have your part on the table, basically what you want to have is a screwdriver and a small flathead. And then just flip it over to the underside. And then this wire that's in the parking brake is just in these channels here. So it's held in mostly from the back and on the sides. So the easiest way to remove it is just pinch the wire together. So you just want to pull it towards you to one side and pull it on the other side. And just slide it out. It's very easy. Then you have 4 screws. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get a power drill and take them off really quick. Okay, and here we have a little tab. Once you get it, you'll see it, and you just put your flathead in there, push away from it, push in on this. Now when you come to this part, you could either send me this piece attached to the shift boot. Your truck will still function, it will still work. If you like to just remove this piece and have this attached to your console, there are some tabs in here. You just need to push those over and it will come off pretty easy. So you got 1 in here, a total of 6. So you just unrelease that first one, take it like this and start pulling it over. On the last one, just push it in. Now you got it completely released. So all we need are these 2 pieces and you'll be good to go.